Om Maham Vadra Guru Padme Siddhi Hum.
With a powerful prayer from divine sister of the light, Aurelia. Prayer, flood the earth with violet flame. In the name of the great I Am, I call for the light of 1,000 suns from the great central sun, angels of violet fire, beloved Saint Germain, beloved Zadkiel and holy amethyst, Omri Tas, ruler of the violet planet. In the name of God, I am that I am, saturate the earth in all her evolution with limitless waves of violet fire. I call for the action of the violet transmuting flame and the action of the will of God to manifest on earth, now and forever, an ever-increasing spiral of divine perfection. I call for all discord and activities on earth that are not reflecting the highest light and God's holy purposes, to be miraculously swept and transformed by the power of the violet flame into divine love and harmony for the restoration of earth and her people, into their original blueprint of perfection that was originally intended. Violet flame, O violet flame, in the name of God, flood the earth, her people and all her kingdoms with oceans and oceans of violet fire, until every particle of life is restored to divine perfection. May peace and love be spread throughout the earth. May the earth abide in the aura of perfect love. May the earth abide in an aura of peace, love, and freedom. I give thanks that it is done now according to God's holy will. And so be it, beloved I am.